So, can you introduce yourself and from where you are?
Oh, I'm Dr. Rashmi Cabena. I've come from Sunshine Coast in Australia.
Are you specially come from Australia to attend this workshop?
Yes.
And can you share your experience with Indian Flower Remedies?
Okay, so Atul Shah and Dr. Rupa Shah are in the same integrative medicine group where I am, and it is an Indian Doctors Integrative Medicine group, which I had joined. And my husband has been suffering from Parkinson's with dementia for 11 years, 12 years. So he was having a lot of troubles. He was deteriorating past last year. And so I put it on the forum. And Dr. Atul Shah told me, and also I talked about my mom. And he said he had helped his mom after a fracture, so he could help. So I got in touch with him. Initially, I was actually, I don't know what flower essences will be able to do, so I didn't talk to him immediately. But after a few months, when my husband needed help, I said, I'll talk to him, at least try different things, because we were trying everything else, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, allopathic, everything that you can think of. Because I practice nutritional environmental medicine, or we call it integrative medicine in Australia. So we've done everything that one can do. But my husband was freezing a lot. That's a symptom of Parkinson's. And his mood was absolutely down, like he was so depressed and down and just ready to go kind of thing. And when I started Atul Shah's medication, firstly, he did something with laser. Till the medications got posted to Australia, he did something with it. And his freezing is sort of, I would say, just reduced by 50% just on the spot. And then by the next day, in 24, 36 hours, it was reduced even further. And his mood slowly came back up, things that I never thought I would see that in his face, the smile and all those things came back. Then because of these circumstances, I was, sad myself, and it helped me, Rupa Shah's all the medications. So personal experiences with those two things, I was really impressed. And when the workshop happened, it's like Cosmos wanted me to do it. My sister-in-law said, I'm coming to stay with my husband's name is Peter for a bit. And it was just around the workshop a little ahead. And I said, can you just come a little later so because I look after him, I can't leave him alone. And she covered so I could come. And I'm so glad I did, because I'm seeing such amazing results here.